In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files from Dropbox to an email in Gmail using two different methods. The link share method, which is recommended for larger files, and a standard attachment method. Let's dive right into the first and most recommended method, which is sharing a Dropbox link via the Dropbox for Gmail add-on. To start, you'll need to open Gmail in your web browser. Begin by clicking on the Compose button to open a new message window. You'll notice at the bottom of this Compose window, there is an assortment of icons. If you have the Dropbox for Gmail add-on enabled, you should see a Dropbox icon among these. Go ahead and click that icon. A pop-up window will appear, giving you access to navigate through your Dropbox files and folders. Carefully browse through and select the item or items you wish to send. Once you've made your selection, click on Insert Link. What this does is insert a shareable link to the file or folder directly into the body of your email. This means you're sending a link as opposed to embedding the actual file within the message. Before you hit send, you might want to check the sharing permissions of the file in Dropbox. This is an optional step, but it's crucial if you want to ensure the recipient can view or download the file as intended. Then, simply send your email. The recipient will click on the link to access the file directly on Dropbox. Now, why use this method? Well, there are several advantages. First and foremost, it effectively bypasses Gmail's attachment size limits by allowing you to share just a link. This is especially handy for large files that might otherwise be too big to send directly. Another benefit is that the recipient will always have access to the most recent version of the file if you make updates to it in Dropbox. This ensures that everyone is always on the same page, quite literally. So, as you can see, using the Dropbox link via the Dropbox for Gmail add-on is an efficient and effective way to handle large attachments. Whether you're sharing project files with a client, sending important documents to a colleague, or simply sharing memories with friends and family, this method ensures a smooth and straightforward process. Now, with this method covered, you'll be able to send files of any size with confidence, knowing that your email won't hit any pesky size limits, and your recipient will always have access to the latest version. Happy emailing!